At ABB, we understand that switchgear faces many challenges in providing reliable, safe, and sustainable energy to your communities. Utility companies must consider a range of factors when choosing the right switchgear solution for their needs. When it comes to conquering the challenges of switchgear performance in harsh environments, South Florida has been a proving ground for ABB's Elastimold's reliability.
Some of the non-negotiables a utility would consider for switchgear would first and foremost be safety, reliability, and then after that would be modularity and future-proofing their grid. Here in South Florida, where you're operating a utility in a unique set of circumstances where you're at sea level, you're in harsh corrosive environments, this switchgear, one of its primary functions is going to be, is it rugged enough to stand the test of time? Is it going to last through the hurricanes? Is it going to last through the heavy rainfalls and the king tides? And so Elastimold switchgear that's been here in South Florida has shown that it's able to meet and exceed all the requirements.
After 25 years of reliable switchgear performance, a local utility company looked to Elastimold once again to harness emerging technologies and new innovations, furthering their storm hardening efforts while providing reliable, safe, and sustainable energy to their customers.
The previous switchgear that this local utility installed faced everything possible within this environment. It weathered persistent storms throughout the years and monthly submersion within highly corrosive saltwater. The local utility wanted to upgrade to take advantage of some of our recent developments and some of our new innovations, such that the new switchgear that they have installed allows them to grow with their system.
As part of their new safety standard, the utility turned to ABB's TrueBrake module to enhance safety and give their linemen even more confidence in doing their job. The ABB team supported them throughout the transition and installation process.
As you can see, it actually attaches on to the front of your MVS right here, and with that, you actually see these red contacts right there. TrueBrake is very important for these utilities because it provides a visible open. Solid dielectric switchgear is very powerful, but because of the vacuum bottle and the solid dielectric insulation, historically it has not been capable of providing a visible open. ABB Elastimold, as an industry leader in solid dielectric switchgear, has developed the TrueBrake module, which is actually an add-on for our MVIs and MVSs that allows these utilities to achieve that visible open and as such ensure that their equipment is de-energized. It's just one of many innovations that ABB Elastimold continuously puts out to maintain our standing on the forefront of what utilities require as they move into the new age of electrical infrastructure.
This switchgear has been proven over the last few decades that it will last in some of the harshest environments. It provides linemen and utilities with the safety and the reliability that they're looking for. And now, with new features such as TrueBrake, we're able to provide even additional layers of safety on top of a product that's already been tested over time and trusted by utilities across the country.
Us at ABB Elastimold look forward to partnering with this local utility for the decades to come and even further.
Trusted for 25 years and counting, ABB Elastimold switchgear helps power and protect South Florida neighborhoods through nature's harshest conditions. Coast to coast, ABB continues to partner with local utilities, delivering advanced technology and solutions that reliably, safely, and sustainably power their communities.